Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Okay, I found your car. This one checks the boxes. We have a 1967 Camaro Rally Sport Super Sport. It's got a crate 350 motor, has a new air conditioning system, has a 4-speed right there between the bucket seats, deluxe interior. It's got a lot of good things going on for it. And of course, it's a gorgeous car, painted a real slick black. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read the specs, study the pictures. That's where you find a price tag on every one of the collector cars that we offer for sale. That's at volocars.com. Hope you enjoy the videos. Subscribe if you haven't already, and click on that bell icon so you're notified as the next exciting car is posted. For right now, tops down, let's go for a spin. I bought this car down south recently. There's about 4,700 miles on the restoration. Under the car appears to be very solid. All the suspension and steering components appear to be in good shape. Looking up at the bottom of the motor, it's still very clean. Like I said, it has a 4-speed transmission, has a custom aluminum drive shaft, has a nice dual exhaust, the correct type. It's a dual exhaust that goes into a sideways muffler. The technical term is a transverse muffler, and then dual tailpipes. The fuel tank looks like it's been replaced, the whole thing, the straps, the insulators, all of it. So underneath the car does look to be in very good condition. Now 1967 was the only year where the trim tag gives you a lot of good information. This is the original trim tag, and it does say this car was born a Rally Sport and a Super Sport. I was very surprised to see that. Most of them are cloned out. Did have a color change, but it was born an RSSS 4-speed car. That's very rare. So the car presents itself really well. It's black, and I can tell you right now it's straight, and black doesn't hide anything. All this looks nice and straight, has the big wide moldings. I think that's part of the Rally Sport package. But this door looks mint, straight. The hood, all straight. It's the SS hood with the grills. Fits square, flush, straight, real nice. Unfortunately, it does look like something dripped on the paint. There's a couple of spots where something dripped on it right there. The white stripe is painted on. It's a little wrinkled right here in the curved area, but looks nice. The Rally Sport, of course, has the hideaway lights. These are electric motors. It does have a spoiler. The bumper looks new. The emblems look real nice. Here's a nick on the edge that's been touched up. It's all real nice, straight, clean, correct antenna. Hairline crack next to it from flexing. Windshield's probably original, has a couple light scratches. Stainless trim is not new, but it's very decent. Chrome pillar, nice, has some freckles on it. Door handles are shiny, the paint's real nice. There's a nick on the edge of the door that's touched up. This all looks shiny and straight. Got a rear spoiler, rear bumper. Has some overspray on it. Whoever buys this, make sure you ask the salesman to clean the back bumper. Tail lights, SS gas cap look new. The reverse lights are down below. That's on Rally Sports only. There's a scratch right here in the paint that's been touched up, about that long. BF Goodrich radial redline tires, 14x7 rallies. Looks like all the trim was replaced. Convertible top's in really nice shape. You can see that on our website. We have pictures of it. So yeah, overall, the outside of the car is not mint. It's not perfect, but it's very nice. Has a little bow tie, correct mirror. Yeah, so there you have it. Let's open it up, see what she's like inside. Let's see what we have in the trunk. All right, it's painted very nicely under here, in the jam and the weather strip and the stickers. All that looks real nice. The rubber mat's been replaced. It's all solid. The well liner that the top goes down into is new. And these here are called shaker cans. What's the nickname for them? They're counterweights. All the convertibles have them. They're up in the front fenders too. They're counterweights. I couldn't explain exactly what they do, but sometimes those are missing, but they're there. And I also noticed the wiring in the car is all new as well, including in the trunk. So door jambs are painted nice. Weather strips were replaced. This is a Deluxe interior, which means it has the molded door panel. There are some cracks right on the armrest there. Nothing severe. The dash pad looks like it's been replaced. Has a new Deluxe steering wheel. It does have a speedometer with the speed minder, that yellow dial there, or needle. You can set it where you want and it should buzz and let you know to slow down. Has AC vents were custom installed neatly. There's a retro stereo. Has the gauge cluster. The clock is ticking. I should have mentioned also has a tachometer. Center console's in nice shape. Got a Hurst 4-speed sticking out of it. Deluxe seats have the white stripes, a little fancier design. There's a mild cigarette burn right here. So there's a little wear on the seats, but nothing bad at all. Light works at the back of the console. You got seat belts for everyone. Back seats in real nice shape. It's not a perfect car, but it's nice. The mirror is new. Door panel on the passenger side does not have any cracks. That's in excellent shape. Okay, so it's a 350 crate motor. It says GM Performance right on the aluminum heads. Has the Chevy bow tie aluminum intake. Also looks like it has an aluminum water pump. You pick your own carburetor when you buy a crate motor. This one has a dual feed Holley with electric choke. Has an HEI ignition system. Has premium fittings and braided fuel line. Also has long tube headers. Modern vintage air heat and air conditioning system. There's a big aluminum radiator, so while it's keeping you cool, this will keep the engine cool. Premium radiator hose, that ain't gonna burst. There's still a sticker on the alternator. Has power steering. Has manual brakes. Nice valve covers and air cleaner, a nice matched set. Has new insulation under the hood. So overall, very respectable. It has what you want it to have. Nothing to be ashamed of. I'm not going to call it a show winner under here, but it's clean. So if you're looking for a Camaro convertible, what would you live without? Would you live without the Rally Sport Super Sport package, or would you live without a 4-speed with air conditioning, or live without a convertible? Well, don't give it another thought. It has it all. So there you go. That's my impression on this Camaro. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. They can help answer your questions, including getting this delivered to your driveway, and financing they can help with at volocars.com. Hope you enjoy the videos. Subscribe and click on that bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.